Hello everyone. Today in this quick tutorial, we learn how to use if formula in Excel to display feedback based on grades. It's an easy and useful way to handle multiple conditions. So let's get started. First, enter the grades in column B like A plus, B plus, C plus and F or anything else. We'll use column C to display feedback. So type the formula is equal if select the cell and type is equal A plus. If the grade is A plus, the feedback will be very good. Comma. For second condition, type if, select the cell, if grade is B plus, the feedback will be good. Comma. For third condition, type again if, again select the cell and type C plus. For C plus, the feedback will be keep it up. For last, again type if, select the cell, comma, if the grade is F, the feedback will be bad. And if none of these match, it shows no feedback. No feedback. Close the brackets. Enter the formula. Now press enter. So the feedback will appear based on grades in B3. Drag the formula down. So you can see in condition A plus the feedback will be very good. In B plus the feedback will be good. In C plus the feedback will be keep it up, and in F condition the feedback will be bad. And if none of these match, it shows no feedback. Test it with different grades in column B. You will see the correct feedback in column C for each grade. For example, A plus. So you can see in condition A plus, the feedback will be changed to no feedback to very good. So you can see in F condition, the feedback will be changed, no feedback to bad. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.